Hello guys, my name is Marty, and in this video I will show you how can you blur your clips or how can you blur some moving object in your clip. So let's start. Create a new project. Choose your video you would like to blur. Click on Add. Go here, Effects, Video Effects. In Basic section you will find Blur. Click on it. And now your clip is blurred. Now I'm gonna show you how to blur moving object in your clip. So you would like to blur this moving object. So as you can see, he's moving. So I'm gonna show you how to blur his face. So we got our blur already. We need to move it to the right. So our whole clip is blurred. Okay. Click on this clip. All the way right, you will find copy. Here we go. Click on it. Go back at the beginning. Go back here and click on this clip again. And now we need to find overlay. Here we go. Click on it. And now select the second clip. So make sure it's second. Okay. Go and find mask. Here we go. Click on it. And now you can choose the shape of the blur. So we're gonna blur face of this animal. So we're gonna choose this circle. So click on it. Perfect. And we will find the face here. Okay. So we need to adjust this circle. So just move these arrows here. Okay. Maybe make it smaller. Yes, I think this is enough. And put it on his face. Perfect. Okay. But the problem is, so as you can see, the blur circle is still here and it's not moving with his face. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. So find the moment when his face will appear, like here, okay. And just move the circle. Just click on it and grab it. Move the circle on his face, right here, okay. And now you need to click on this diamond here. So click on it. And when you move your clip like this, okay, just click here on this black space and just move it. And now you need to click on the circle and move it on his face. And again, move the clip, grab the circle, move the clip. I know it takes time, but it will work. Okay. I'm just doing this for demonstration, so you can take your time. Okay, I think that's enough. So now go back. As you can see, there's still your circle here, so just move it and just hide it. Now we're gonna play a clip. Okay, it's not perfect, but it's moving with the object. So you can take your time and you can do it like more precise. But this is how you blur moving object. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.